Hello guys, what is up? It's me, the hacker. Well, we're two hackers, but the second guy isn't on right now. So we're gonna hack Spintires today. We're gonna hack the fuel. So we have 461 fuel. Let's type 461 like so. Let's click first scan. This one should not take long. When you do that, just wait for it to do. Okay, done. Let's go back to the game. Let's go to the game. Let's lose a letter. Okay, we have now 460. The next scan is 412, but I don't know from mine. Let's lose another one. Okay, we have 490, 59 like that. The next scan, we found it, only one. Paste it down, go there, put 500. It says on the slash button here how much fuel you can have. I put it 500 because I know that I can have only 500. Then click this button there, minimizes the cheat engine. Resume the game. As you can see, we have 500 of 500, but we can no longer use not use. We can no longer lose the fuel. As you can see, that's how to hack Spintires for today, guys. If you wanna have a video on how to download the Spintire, the full version for free, tell me down in the comments. I'm gonna put the link for cheat engine down in the description. I'll see you guys later. Bye.